Welcome to Fit World Nation Riders Club, and my name is Demetrius, and today I will be showing you how to turn the Sunny Health bike into a smart bike. This way you can save a lot of money. I will be showing you how to install the Wahoo speed sensor and the cadence sensor. We're going to install the speed sensor on the flywheel and the cadence on the pedal. Okay, so what we have here is we have our speed sensor, and we will install this on a flywheel. So come take a look at the flywheel. This is your speed sensor. So what I have done here is I have installed a double-sided tape. I have one side on the flywheel and the other on the back of the speed sensor. Come take a look. So as you see over here, we have the tape here, and since I already had the sticky on there, you want to just place it on the plate. Once we start spinning on this bike, you will definitely be able to see it's going to light up blue flashing. So that means that the wireless is being connected to your iPad or Android device or your phone. Now for this here, this is the Wahoo cadence. As you see, it's flashing blue. The speed is still flashing blue. So what we're going to do is install it on the pedal like so, about right here. So I have the double-sided tape. You see, it's still flashing. The speed is still flashing. All right, so just give me a second, and we will install this. This is the 3M double-sided tape. This is what came in the box from Wahoo. So now we just have to peel it and then install it on. All we have to do is peel it and stick it on. So we're gonna put that just right underneath, like so. Sticks right on. We're going to take our cadence monitor. It will be flashing blue. We're going to stick that on right there. Give it a nice press. And now you have it installed. So as of right now, the next thing that we're going to do is install our tablet holder and phone holder. Now we are going to hook up a tablet holder and phone holder. I purchased this off of Amazon. Of course, you have many different options. This is just one of the options I have chosen. I will have a link in my description as well. So what we'll do is install this. So this is how it comes with this loop. You will unscrew this here, turning this knob. And now this also has a piece that's normally in the middle. So it's this hard piece. You won't need this hard piece, it being that this bar is a much thicker bar. So what we'll do is install this on our bar, and then we'll squeeze this close, screw this piece on like so. It screws right on, and we keep turning it till it gets tight. Okay, and now we have our back piece. It stretches out your phone or tablet. It has nice grooves inside. This way it can hold your device. We just place this on there like so. Locks in. And now we can take our tablet or phone, either or, install it on. It locks in. And now we have a smart bike. Nice Sunny Health SF-B1002. I will show you our speed sensor and our cadence inside of the Wahoo app. And now we have our app all set up. We have our tablet on the tablet holder. And now we will see if the cadence and the speed monitor is registering as we begin our workout. We're going to click on the Wahoo app. It's searching. And as it's searching, you can start to give the bike a light pedal. As you're pedaling now, so as you see here, it has our cadence and it has our speed linked sensors. If your sensors for any reason is not working, you can just choose the Wahoo cadence. You're going to go in, it says connected. We go back and we go to our speed. It says connected. So now we're going to back out, start our workout. It's going to give us the countdown. And now we go. So I'm spinning right now. I have my speed at 15 and my cadence is registering. So it's going perfect. Stay tuned, please subscribe, and we will embark on this journey together. In my next videos, I will be showing you how to set up everything on the Peloton app, and we can start our workout process. And this way you can see your speed inside of the Peloton app. You can see your cadence inside of the Peloton app. And we're ready to rock and roll. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great workout.